Welcome everybody. Thank you for coming. Check it out my Patreon. Let's talk about the tiers and content and what is actually means each one a little bit. Uh, I don't know is people do this here like the way that I'm doing. I'm just thinking that this is a good way to kind of get support and help people in the projects and make people to evolve pinball together. And yeah, so let me show you what is gonna be the exclusive content that I'm gonna be offering on the Patreon. And basically that is those over here. um it it's gonna be this content set is basically almost 20 gigabytes of data. uh what is gonna be there? It's gonna be the data of the Arduinos. It's gonna be the MechWarrior Pinball, that Unreal Engine, all the coding that I did, everything on the machine. It got all the spreadsheets. Okay, I got the spreadsheets that and for those that love BPX or Visual Pinball, I will provide also the MechWarrior Visual Pinball files. And that is gonna be all here. Let me show you the tiers. Go back to tiers. Um, Over here. So I got four tiers, and those tiers are different. I mean, it's kind of almost the same thing. The thing is, the have different is the exclusive content. Everyone have the exclusive content and live QA. So I will be answering any question in Discord for those that have any Patreon and that need the basic help basically for they want to start doing the project. They like this the idea. They want to build a machine or restore a machine that want to do this implement this system. They can do it, and it will be the same way. It just need to change a couple things here and there to accommodate for your project. So, and that's why you're gonna be questions, live question there that I can answer, and get through the show you that what is going on. But I will also be launching videos about Splendid. So each video, if you got for those that help me support me on basic and ask any question that they want me focus on a video, I will do videos for it for show better explanation of what actually um, you can do and how to do it and find a way to do it yourself and also question everything, every doubts that everybody has. And yeah, and so basically that's the basic. If you need more help, that's one. In this one I will have live chat. I will provide a 30-minute at least a month per person, so I don't, so we got plenty time so we can chat in live. So that I will work it by schedule. So we schedule those 30 minutes when we coordinate, and that's the way I'm gonna do it. And the same thing, the basic help, but we got the live chat on this one. It will contain all the exclusive content. And advanced help is basically the person need a little more help to do the project because they need a lot. They have a lot of questions. They have a lot of doubts of how to do it, or they never work Unreal and they need help and teaching a little bit how I code everything. Because um, I will, when I do the videos back when I start doing the videos, I will explain where you can find information that a lot of YouTubes out there that they show you how to, for example, use Unreal Engine. And basically you don't have to be expertise to understand it. And with you, when you get your project to that point that you need to code, or if you need to do a cabinet or your pinball machine, basically it's a lot of information out there that people create those super easy, and they have strategies that if you don't have a CNC machine you can do it this way. Or and also creating CADs. Like I will show you what I use to learn those path. And I don't, I don't want to work by sponsors, like nothing. I will, if I think this channel is good, I will say, hey, go to this channel. I think this guy have a lot of information there that you can learn, and I'm gonna kind of help you out around there. So I don't wanna do most basic trainings of what is out there that you can find already. I don't want. I try. One of the thinking that I have is try to prevent to repeat what everybody's repeating. So I just do what nobody has, and that's why I decide to do this channel and do all this system, because I will provide you what you actually need. That is it will make you machine beyond, and what is not, nobody have it out there. And but most information that is out there, I will provide it. I'll show you, hey, you can find this channel, and this guy talk about how you can, if it's coding on Real Engine, how you can do the basic path, and that work for this, and then you will see the sample of my project, and you, oh, okay, that's what I have to do. And basically everything is copy and paste. So it's not, in this system is nothing that you have to get out of your mind, and just you see that sample and just copy and paste it, and it will work great. And that's the way that I did it. I tried to find the best way to do it and the easier way, and yeah. So but for those that need more advanced help, and this one, I will provide one-to-one, 1 hour at least a month. So it will be scheduled. So can we talk? I can show you by uh, streaming, or doing any kind of Discord. We can share screen and talk about and show you better way to do it. That's what I'm gonna do in that one. And it's gonna be limited. All this is gonna be limited because I count the time. I put a time already that I want to be able to do it. And I basically work from home all the time and being home. So I doing this as a main thing to help people, and yeah. So and the last one is only one tier, and that one I put it there because sometimes people and I got a conversation with someone in PTF that actually tell me, man, I, I I wish I got someone that helped me out to build my own machine because I don't have any tools and I don't have the space for a shop to do it. I would like to do my ideas, my thing, and that popped me out and said, you know what, I'm willing to have one guy at least that is willing to pay what I'm asking monthly, and I have my shop, and I will do all the what he's required to have his pinball as he want, and and of course, the more complicated you get, more time will take. If more simple you get, more easier it's gonna be. And probably that person know a little bit about designing, and he wanna design his stuff, drawing, and but that's the only thing that he does, and or in his hobby or something, and the only thing that he's missing is basically all the space or the shop, and he had to ask friends or probably not have that friends. So that's why I put that tire there. Is there someone there that wanna that help? I got that tier there for that, and I will take one at the time, and has go. We show it's gonna be I will help with the CAD, with all the CNC planning, and also do some CNC and 3D printer designing some part. I can help with that, and and yeah, and get together and try to find and get the dream of that person to reality. And I'm shooting to this because I believe on how easy it is to do this way of pinball, because you take a lot of stuff out of the equation of problems, programming, and basically I'm using all the result that is already there, and that's why my focus is just use what is out there already. Don't invent nothing that they already is invented, and just work, but it need to be invented. And basically that's what my thinking is. So I mean, yeah, I don't want to make this too long. So yeah, basically that's the idea around what is going on here in the Patreon. If you want to support me, only, and you can just support me with and just get the content, and we can talk about it. If you don't have any project in mind and you just want to support me, and yeah, just do that. Or if you want me open or tire, just do less, like whatever you want to support, I can do it. But yeah, basically that's the dream. Just get different way to do pinball, and this I believe that uh, this idea will evolve in a way that it will come out a lot of crazy stuff in pinball, and it will make it to another level. So that's what I'm doing this. So let me go a little bit about um, explain a little bit, show the content. So over here on the Arduinos, I got all my 7 main controller that have the MechWarrior Pinball, and here is all the Arduinos. Let me open it so I can show you real quick. So yeah, this is all the coding for one uh, microcontroller Arduino. It's not much. It not require a lot. A lot of people will get surprised. So how little bit coding needs. And also I will go through explanation of everything. I will explain everything detail by detail. I will make videos of that, and and so you get a little understanding how you can get your machine and your ideas work in this way. And that's why I will provide all this and I give it to you, and you will take a look, and then when I shoot the video, you will follow that and say, oh okay, this makes sense, or this is not make sense. Oh, I can do it better. I know Arduino, so I can make it better, and improve everything. And that's going to be great, because that's the goal, to make it perfect, to make it tight, you know. So yeah, and here is all the the Unreal Engine files. It got even all the contents and everything of what I put on the game. So you can open it, and you can download your Unreal and put that version, the 27.27, and see how everything is made. So yeah, so the spreadsheet is another thing that I want to mention here real quick, and it's basically I got a the spreadsheet is basically the wire diagram, and for the Arduino and the communication with the Unreal Engine. I made all this before make the machine. This is the word that I was planning before, a lot of stuff planning, but basically this is what all the only thing that have each Arduinos, and it give you all the ports, what go every cables, and what control, and how is the communication work, what letter is what the one sending or receiving, and what is going to send to the Unreal Engine. And I will explain all this little by little, detail by detail, so you get understanding. And of course you're gonna have it, you can improve it, you can do it better ways, a lot of better ways to do what I did. I just did it the most simple way that I can get coming out, understand it, and do it as fast as possible. And yeah, that's that. It got, and over here I got the visual pinball, and it got the game is around 235 7 megabytes. It's complete. It's not the same thing that I obviously it's not the same approach of course rules that I did on the real machine, because on the real machine I got more stuff that I can do. Over there I just was it was testing. It's playable. I did some video a long time ago about it. I don't know if it's out there, but yeah, those people that love BPX, it can be able to play it in virtual mode, and it got all the file here and the content. So it got the audio, all that I use is inside here, so it's ready to play, and it's playable. I play a lot on this before I start making it. So yeah, Well, I hope you understand. If you have any question, just shoot me our test. Just get to the Discord. Uh, Enjoy to the Discord. We can talk there also. And if you like it and you want to support me, that's what the option is for right now. And hope you like it. And I see you soon. Take care and God bless.